details. Building name One World Trade Center. Location New York. Designed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. Height of building 541 meter. Duration of project 2004 to 2013. This is the picture of building. History about this building is One World Trade Center is main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City. Designed as a monolithic glass structure reflecting the sky, One World Trade Center consists of 8 isosceles triangles forming an elongated square antiprism. The main purpose of building is the building was designed for blast resistance using system of high strength anchors and reinforced glass components. A wide variety of wind loads were accommodated. Foundation details of building. Bedrock located to 65 feet 20 meter below grade. The site is near to the Hudson River. So there is water table present near the site. They constructed the bathtub with slurry wall to keep water out. Slurry walls are 70 feet deep and 3 feet thick to support the soil surrounding the basement. The method was used a place of conventional dewatering method because lowering the groundwater table would cause large settlements of nearby building not built on deep foundation. This is the picture of layout of bathtub. Second section of slurry wall. Tie bags. Tie bags are used to hold the walls to the bedrock. This is the actual construction site picture. After they use the slurry walls, they use compensated rough foundation after construction of slurry wall. About superstructure. Structural design. Hybrid system combining a concrete core with steel movement frame. The movement frame lends substantial rigidity to overall building, while providing column-free interior spans for maximum flexibility. They designed the structure in such a way that to avoid turbulence and wind load. Spire, measuring 408 feet tall and weighing 758 tons. The spire includes bright light at its tip that is sure to become a new landmark for Lower Manhattan. While parts of the spire were assembled on the World Trade Center roof last week, the final section were bolted into place. These are the structure designs of building. Construction techniques used. 1. Self-checking lift system. Second, two large Manitowoc cranes. Third, prismatic glass. Prismatic glass around structural podium meant to make the concrete fortress seem more inviting. Beam software. The project structure engine used combination of Revit building and AutoCAD model. The tower foundation, buttress slabs, core wall and columns. Security features. Along with the protection provided by the reinforced concrete base, a number of other safety features were included in the building design so that it would be prepared for major accident or terrorist attack like 7 World Trade Center. The building has 3 foot thick reinforced concrete walls in stairwell, elevator shafts, risers and sprinkler system. There are also extra wide pressurized stair walls along with dedicated set of stair wall exclusively for use firefighters and biological and chemical filters throughout the ventilation system. In comparison, the original twin towers use purely steel central core to house utility function protected only by lightweight drywall panels. This is the WPS structure. These are case studies visible during this project. Thank you.